They coughed once. Then everything changed. The truth about tuberculosis. You hear it every day. A simple cough. A sneeze. And then silence. What if I told you the world's most silent killer doesn't need an army? It needs a single breath. This isn't fiction. This is tuberculosis, the disease that has haunted human history, claimed millions, and still walks among us today, undetected. We've survived pandemics, world wars, and famines. But tuberculosis? It never left. It just learned how to hide. TB is one of the oldest known diseases, dating back thousands of years. It's killed more people than both world wars combined. Every day, over 4,000 people still die from it. That's not history. That's now. The science of shadows, TB doesn't explode into headlines like COVID-19. It whispers. It waits. It lives inside your lungs, sometimes for years, without a single symptom. Caused by a bacterium called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It spreads silently, through air, and when it strikes, it's brutal. Symptoms? Night sweats, bloody coughs, rapid weight loss, lung failure. You don't even know you're sick until it's almost too late. The global crisis we ignored. In developing countries, TB is a daily death sentence. In developed nations, it's a ghost story we pretend is over. But TB doesn't care about borders, race, or wealth. Millions of people carry latent TB, infected but unaware. Drug-resistant strains are on the rise. It could be in your city, your neighborhood, your breath. This is not fear-mongering, this is fact. Why it still kills: stigma keeps people silent. Poverty keeps people untreated. Ignorance keeps it alive. TB is treatable, curable, but lack of access to healthcare turns it into a death trap. Imagine dying from something we already have a cure for. Now imagine it happening every few seconds. That's TB. The turning point. The world woke up for COVID. Why haven't we woken up for TB? You can get tested. You can raise awareness. You can break the silence. Share this video. Talk about TB. Ask your local health clinic. Be the reason someone catches it before it catches them. If this video moved you, hit that like button. Drop a comment, even just heart, to show this message matters. Subscribe, because we'll keep exposing truths the world forgot. Tuberculosis. The war isn't over, but now you know the enemy.